Hi, this is SK. Today I will be recording some of my moves, why I'm taking the trade and what I'm looking at my trend lines. I like a volume scan much better when the volume is increasing in a stock, either upside or downside. Volume is a very important aspect of price to move, so I really like to see volume if it's increasing a lot. It's 9:28, so hopefully very soon market gonna open in a couple of minutes. So this scan I have on streaming, it's gonna start giving me some good opportunities to either buy or sell, and then we're gonna see how they are setting up. And in the afternoon, I make most of my money after 11. When the chart gave me some of the information that, like here you can see, like if we have entered here, I mean, it really gives us about, wow, 6% gain. So we really need to understand the price action here, with the trend line strong. If we have this guy, you can easily see, like it bounced from here, and after that it took a trading range. Right now, these are the few guys I have in my scan, so like you can see, I try to wait for first 15 minutes, then 15-minute candle tells something. So these are good candidates today. You see, this angle is too steep for me. In 2 minutes, this is very steep. So this is going further. It has to give us some fade afternoon or so, So we need to check that. I like these two first guys, stars and AKM. Let's see. Let's wait. That's 15 minutes. We need this candle to be made first. 15 minutes will tell us a lot. Sometimes we also see a great potential long, If you see here, this NUVA is a trading range breakout, This is a beautiful candidate. Wow. This can be a calculated pullback. This can lead it to more upside. Beautiful volume. This is a good candidate. I think it's going back. It's a very good candidate. This CTXS as well, a great candidate to see. Just beautiful. There's some support here, like some resistance here, but yeah, there is a little bit. Volume is good. It can give us one leg up, It's getting there. This would have been our 5 point here. This is a great guy here. I shot this guy from the 2-minute candle over here, and I have covered 50% of my thing. Every time 6%, And my stop loss is here right now, 38.90. After this candle close, I might put it here, 38.50. It's still going. See the volume? This angle? Wow. I mean, it's just, I do not have anything, no indicators, as you can see. I'm just looking at price action. That's all we need. There's a little bit covered here because it was the measured move. It might have covered here or something. Some buying here. But wow. It's non-stoppable. Volume is increasing. Very bad. going. Why I have daily chart here is it tells us that like maybe that's at 3760 can be the bottom, or it can pull back from here. I already covered. I just entered in my Twitter account. I covered 50% of my move. So now I'm looking for some pullback here, and once it gives me the next signal, I'll short again. I mean, very good volume, very good. This is a great candidate. From the first candle of the day, we can really, I mean, this guy here, it was the entry. There was, I would have scaled in up to here. Beautiful. I've covered 100% of my position here right now, because maybe we can have some pullback. It was a good move of the day. Already made about 7% return on my investment. This is good. And I think we already have a bottom of the day as well. There are chances that around this price we have the bottom. 37.64, 37.50 we can say. The ATR is $1.30 for a normal day. It already moved quite a bit, about $4. This guy is very weak right now. It's very bearish. So I'm going to look for my next entry. When we get this kind of a bear action, it's better to look for every reason to short this guy, not to go long, because I think this can go up to 39-ish and then again fall, or even if it goes here, this guy is looking very bearish. So volume is increasing, people are dumping. Whoever was holding it here, they were thinking that there is a steep, that this guy gonna go to the moon. I think it didn't happen like that. There you go. Everybody, all these longs, beautiful shot. We need a panic, this is a panic. This is a pure panic. It was so predictable. Sometimes I wonder, like why people have so many indicators when all we need is a few lines drawn, I mean, I covered everything here. It was so predictable. Now the next leg down, I will be shorting it again. Now this guy, I believe, I didn't do anything, I didn't short this guy, but you see over here, 21-ish, there's a support, so that's it, this guy is not going beyond that. We have buyers around this area. So that is very important to have daily chart with it, like so that we know where the support is coming, where the resistance is coming, it can really help us improve our trade and get better return. I'm waiting for next leg down here, so not in a position. I've covered everything. As of now, it's going up. I mean, you can debate that we would have taken this long position and get something, some 2-3% return, but when a stock is so bearish, I prefer not to go long, because like these all longs are trying to dump, or they are emotional right now, if they were thinking this guy to go to moon, but just fall down. This guy, I was long, out here, took my profit. This guy is setting up okay for next leg up maybe. The pullbacks are not that, not that powerful. We have a little bit more money left in it. Now here in 2-minute chart, if you see, we already have sellers around this area, which is 39ish, 39.50ish. That's what I was thinking. So I might short again if I get some good signal. I can take a position if I see 2-minute chart, but I prefer to see 5-minute chart, because 5-minute chart gives me more conviction in my trade. You see, it's trying to break through this resistance, but we don't have any good volume here. And if this fails, it'll make a double top here. 1, 2. So 2 attempts from bulls, which gonna fail, which can give us next leg down. I mean, it won't gonna be this kind of a fall, but we can expect some good return yet from this guy. So I think we have a bottom of a day when I see this candle here. It looks like we might have a bottom of a day for today. Yeah. Let's see. There's a lot left in it. You can see here that bulls took some time taking this resistance here, but overall this guy is very, very bearish. We might have some buyers here, that's why it pushed up. So now it might stay all in this area, You can argue that, you should have taken a long position here, but I'm not a long guy here, because the stock is too bearish. I mean, there are a few co-traders, who might have made this move and they're in this move as well. Volume is increasing, so maybe why this volume increase? Maybe they shock people. They shot it here, they shot it here, and when they see it didn't hold it, they all covered it. We might get some good bear candle here. I might take a position if the bears give me a good entry signal. It looks very prominent to me. It can give us next leg down. Bulls are struggling a lot here, and I might take a position of just waiting for one good entry. Great. I shorted this guy after seeing the first candle about here, somewhere here, and I have now covered it. As it's more of a sideways action, it's more of a trading range for me. Might go more, but I'm okay. This was not one of my main trades. I'm looking to make more out of this guy, which I took my position here. It's still going, This is a good call. Now the most important thing is here that I'm looking for the bounce here. Like here you can see it's coming, but we need to see the close of the candle. So once we see the bounce, our trend line will be something like this here, like it goes down and there is a bounce, it goes down, then there is a bounce. At that time, we can at least get one or two moves which can give us again good return. So one chart a day, like I made some money from this guy, but I mean this was not the chart which I usually like to trade. I mean this was a panic sale, and there was some covering and pullback, and then again we have a downfall here. I've already covered about good, 1.5% of my investment. This is looking good. Look at this guy, 1 hour. So bearish. So I think from here, this is the low. This trend line, we might get some pullback here, and then it gives a fall. Because it's not a weak stock. It's a bullish stock, which might have given. I don't know even why it's down today. Maybe the earning or something. So this can go back, like maybe some guru or some promoter or somebody chose to say that this is buy on dip kind of a guy. But for me today, it's a guy who's making money for me. As we thought, I think this is what it is. The goals are that we are buy on dips and value investors, maybe bargain investors, and I don't know who all we can call it here, but it's making money for us today. So bulls can really buy here with a tight stop and see if they can get some kind of scalp or some kind of a move where they can make some money. But overall, this is very, very bearish. You see, we have this trend line drawn, and the bulls are struggling here. Even bears are not even in the action right now. But it was all predictable by drawing few lines. No indicators. That's all. What you see on the screen, that's all I see. There is some pullback, which we already knew after seeing this 2-minute candle that something is happening. Something is happening. Overall, the stock is very, very bearish. So that's good news. Maybe here we can take one leg down. Bulls have nothing left. Bulls are very, very weak here. So I might take a position if I get one good signal entry. A single entry would be below of this bar. This guy here has a lot of left for a swing trade as well. As you can see, daily chart, it really can give us some good down move. It has the potential to give. Wow, it has potential to go up to 60. We might get some pullback tomorrow, or in this kind of a breakout, in so weak. Most of the time, we don't get any pullbacks. It just fall like anything. So this guy goes in my swing trade list as well. I do have some open positions in swing trade, which I keep it for a day or 2 or 3. This will be one of them, I believe. This is a great example when a stock moves up so much and start fading during the daytime. I mean, if you see this 15-minute candle, this tells us all, like it can give us one leg down, one move down, and it could have been a great move. I was not in this stock as I was trading STRZA, but this would have given us a good trade as well. But this is a great example of trade. 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago, I draw this box here so that we can see the trading range action. You can see, this was the bottom here, the bears try to took it down, but bulls are buying here, or like they have their limit order to buy, and we have this action. You know. Over here, the 15-minute candle is showing a bullish action, but a very weak bullish action. As you know, I would like to see bears not let bulls take this high. If they take this high, I might be out of this stock for the day and look for a very, very strong action. But as of now, I'm not in any position in this stuff. I think I have my day. I have about 9-10%. So I'm done for the day. There is a time when if you make a lot of money in one move, you don't want to try to risk that money by trying some bad setups. I always try to draw these things around to visualize what's going on with the stocks. Let's go through this list. So I'm looking for this guy to give me a good breakout and I'll buy. I believe that's it. See how this was predictable. I bought it here, I sold it here, but that's fine. That's it. That's it for today, I believe. I'm still here looking for some good entry. I will be scanning few other charts for fading later today by 12, by 1, by 2 o'clock. And then I might short some other weak stocks which have which have given us some bull candle or bull behavior, but they are fading later on. I hope my videos can make some help in our trading. This is my Twitter account where I post most of my recent trades. Like in the morning, I had most of the guys here which I was trading. Like STRZA was like always the guy I was looking for. CTXS, which made some money. So in the morning I had these guys. AKM actually was a pre-market candidate as well for me. So PDSI, NUA, NUBA. So I mean I'm here. I'm here to learn. So I can learn from you guys. You can learn from me, and we can be better traders. You can follow me here and share our thoughts. Good luck.